This is Buckle Down page 95, guided practice for lesson 10, add fractions. Suki rides her bicycle 5/6 mile before seeing a sign that reads Tybee Island 3/4 mile. If Suki rides to Tybee Island, how many miles will she travel in all? Add to find the total miles. The denominators of the fractions are 6 and 4. So we need to list the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, so on. Now we need to list multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. Well, we have 12 in common. The least number that is common multiple of 6 and 4 is 12. Find equivalent fractions with 12 as the common denominator. 12. 12. Well, 5/6, you need to multiply the denominator 6 by 2 to get 12. So you need to do exact same thing to its numerator. 5 times 2 is 10. So 5/6 is equivalent to 10/12. For 3/4, you need to multiply the denominator 4 by 3 to get 12. Do exact same thing to its numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12. Now we're going to add 10/12 and 9/12. Same denominators, copy it down. 10 plus 9 is 19. So we have 19/12. However, we need to write our answer in simplest form. 19/12 is an improper fraction. So we need to do long division. 19 divided by 12. 12 goes into 19 once. 1 times 12 is 12. And you have 7 left. So it will be 7 out of 12. So simplest form will be 1 and 7/12. Suki will ride 1 and 7/12 of miles in all to reach Tybee Island. Thanks.